is with me, yeah, is I feel like I'm not a very like I'm not somebody that will just go based on looks and money and stuff. I don't really care how much you make because I make my own money. Do you get what I'm saying? But I tend to go off
Girls
personality.
want to date up. I'm not hearing that,
No,
bro.
I don't. But look at the trash that I picked up. That's not dating up. I
Hey.
spared him. I literally spared this guy. Like, fam, I'm not gonna lie. Like, he knows when I go, I get attention from other guys. But
What would you rate yourself out of 10?
To be fair, I genuinely would rate myself a good 8. I can't lie to you.
An 8. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. There's something wrong here. There's something that's not adding up, bro.
It's
So you
adding
mean
up.
to
The
nah, bro,
2.24.
nah, bro, no, bro. Like you're saying you're an 8, you know, an 8, bruv.
Yes.
Bruh. So when you do Instagram, yeah, 10,000 likes, bruv. Straight picture. 10,000 likes. Not even a video.
10,000
Picture.
It's not. It's you rating yourself. Like, you have to. Like, I'm basing how I, because I know that at the end of the day, when I look in the mirror, what I see, and I'm not gonna lie.
You're not the market.
Yeah, but I would literally hit myself. Like, I don't care.
You're not the bro. I don't care if you think that you will hit yourself, bro. You'll smash yourself, bruv. That's absolutely ridiculous, bruv. I must be an 8 because I'd smash in the mirror, bruv.
Yeah.
What are you talking about? You're not the market, bruv. I have to let me judge. Yeah, because I'm hard with it. I'm harsh with it. I'll tell you the number you're at.
To be fair, like, I thought
DM me on Instagram. Let me see for myself.
I don't really use Instagram, darling.
Of course not.
No, I can see other. I promise you, I don't use it, but I can send you something on whatever, like, what other things, whatever means.
I'm on everything. I've got Instagram, email. Everyone's got email, bruv. Yeah.
Yes, that's fine. I can send you something by email.
She gonna send me some Google images now.
It's not Google images. Honestly, like, I'm confident in myself. Like, at the end of the day,
Some California raisin chick, bruv.
No, trust me.
Some Hooters chick from San Diego, bruv.
No, like, no, King Richez. Let me tell you, babe. Like, it's not even like that. Like, I know. Like, at the end of the day, I know wherever I go in this world, I always get attention.
All right, let me ask you this: what if I saw you? What do you think I'd try and move to you? If I was just like in the O2 or something, and I come out of bar 1 or something,
yeah,
and I see you walking on your own, like prime meat, like perfect situation. You're just walking slow, like just your eyes all wide, just walking slow, like, you get me? You know when you girls want someone to talk to you, like you just walking slow.
You walk slow. You walk
You
slow,
girls are funny, bro. Go on.
You cock out the batty, yes.
Yeah, you just walk it. You make sure the jacket. Hopefully you're wearing a jacket that stops at the waist. You get me? You put your hands in your pockets. You're walking slow, like trying to look like a good girl and that. Trying to look like a good girl. Yeah. And then man like me come out bar 1. You get me? Obviously, mad comfy. And I come out and I see you. Do you think that I'm gonna move to you?
To be honest, I do feel like I don't. The thing is, do I think? No, do you know why? Because at the end of the day, yeah, like, I get, sometimes I don't understand these guys here, yeah, like, they will look, sometimes they'll look at you, you can see they want to talk to you, but they will never actually approach you. And that's another thing I need to ask you about, because I don't get that.
Oh,
like,
because what? Because you're what?
But,
do you think that you intimidate guys?
I don't think so. Like, I'll literally I'll be walking, like, everywhere. I don't understand. Like, this keeps happening to me. Like, I'll be walking on road, yeah, and then I'll see guys, they'll actually be looking at me, and some of them will be staring me down, but they will never approach me. And it's like, and sometimes I'm looking at them, I'm giving them the eye, like, hey, like, what's up? And they'll never, like, come to me.
Have you ever thought that you might not be an 8?
Have I ever thought that I might not be an 8?
Yeah. Maybe the reason they're not coming up to you is because you're not all that. Have you ever thought that could be a possibility?
I think it's a mixture of different. I don't think it's because of that. I personally think that a lot of guys, especially with this type of era that we're in, a lot of guys are now, like, afraid to actually go up to girls and speak to her, compared to, like, back in the days growing up, like guys will actually come and chat to you, like they'll actually come up to you and be like, oh, can I, get your number, whatever. But I feel like these days, guys are not really, because it's all about, obviously DMs and stuff like that. Like people have got out that mindset of actually approaching women.
Why do you think guys don't want to approach women no more?
I just feel like because even I was speaking to this guy, the white guy I was telling you about, and he was like saying to me how if he actually saw me on road, he would never like actually get my number. He wouldn't go out of his way to get my number because he's not confident in himself. So that makes me think maybe the guys like are not really that confident to actually come and speak to girls in the first place, or they're scared of rejection.
I think it's a combination of guys have not, they're scared of rejection. They've had so much rejection in their life that they're just like, rah, I can't really be bothered no more, bruv. That's what it is. Like, yeah, bro, like I just had the guy from South Africa call up, and he said that, boom, like when he's in South Africa, he's calm chatting to girls, like it's not no mad weird conflict, like, but when he tries to move to girls over here, bad vibes, bro. And even I can agree with that. It is bad vibes here, bro.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Because for me, yeah, that's why I know I'm not the problem. Because everywhere, like literally, when I went to Ghana like last year, when I was in America, like I was literally, guys were stopping me 24/7 asking for my number. Like I couldn't go anywhere without a guy stopping me and being like, "Can I get your number?" Like it was.
You like that, innit? You like that, innit?
No, I didn't really care. Like if they could offer me something while I was wherever I was, then yeah. Only.
You wanted to finesse them. No, I hear you.
You know what it is? It's not even just finesse them, yeah. But it's like it's the way they approach you as well. It's like some of them would just like come up to me and be like, "Oh, like, I think you're really beautiful. Like you're actually pretty. Like I don't even want your number, but I just want to tell you that you're pretty." And
shut up. I don't like dudes like that, man. I don't want your number. I don't want to sleep with you ever in life, but I just want to tell you you're beautiful.
Got my number.
Get out
That's
here.
The thing. They didn't ask for my number. They just came and was like, "Oh, you're pretty." That's it, and walked away.
That's what I'm saying. Like, you might as well not have said anything. What? Because guys like that are simps. Because why are you gonna tell she already knows she looks nice, bruv. She looked in the mirror before she left the house. So why are you gonna go? You're not even trying to get a number or date her or nothing. You just want to gas her up. So when the guy like me comes to actually move to her, she's gonna be all pompous and arrogant. These guys are idiots, bro. They don't have no game. They don't know what they're doing out here, bro.